Guys, we can't choose family. We can't choose family, but we can choose friends. You understand? Just because some of the friends are snakes, guys. Just because, guys, you can't tell your friends or your friend all your secrets, especially nowadays. Because your friend, she is going to tell, or he is going to tell another friend your secret. And you can say my secret is safe, and your secret is not safe at all. You understand? Don't trust people sometimes. Don't trust people, guys, because some of the friends are snake. They are pretending like they love you or they like you, but at the back they are all talking negative things about you most of the times. You understand? Nowadays, learn to mind your own business. Learn to mind your own business. Just because sometimes we have got a business idea, you can say, my friend, I want to do this business. Later, your friend can store your business. It looks like that idea is ye or his idea. You understand? Sometimes you don't have to tell your friend all your secrets sometimes.